A new year is to come, and you may be thinking of, yes, in this new year I'm going to change my car, I'm going to change my clothes, I'm going to change my way of eating, I'm going to change anything, like for example I'm going to change my phone, my computer, my laptop, anything. You want presents, you want new things, you want new people, you want new house, you want a new car, but you don't want to be new. Have you thought of changing yourself? Have you thought of changing your mind? Have you thought maybe you're not good enough? Maybe you have been the same all this time, through all of these years, throughout all of your life, and you haven't changed anything but your clothes. So how are those things that you want to receive new, brand new, going to be, good enough in order for your life to become better if you don't become a new person?